Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to make your disk write protected so that no one can delete the data from it, and also no one can copy and paste the data into your drive. So this is my normal disk as of now, and if I want to copy some data from here to this disk, I can easily do that. You can see, and if I want to delete it, I can also delete it. Let me make a test folder on it first of all. Now I can delete it. But if you don't want to do this like this, your data will be saved on your disk and you don't want to delete anyone, so you can do that as well. How to do that? We have to open the CMD as administrator, and now you need to type for the command disk part. Now you need to type a list disk, and now you should able to see disk 0 is by default your SSD and disk 1 is my USB. So in order to make it write protected, you need to type as select disk, and the disk name you need to select carefully by choosing its size and capacity. And now once you hit this command, you need to type for this command attribute disk set read only. I will copy and paste this command, or you can directly paste here like this: attributes space disk space set space read only. And now it's done successfully. You can exit it, or now let me try to do the same with now disk. You can see its button is gray out now, and I'm not able to even create a new folder on it. There is no option on it. And when I try to copy and paste the same file from here to this disk, I'm getting the error remove the write protection or use another disk. So this is the benefit of this making write protect, that no one can read and write data inside your USB without making it write protected. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.